Wind, rain, bugs, they've all had access to the DIY cabin. But after the next couple days, we're gonna have her buttoned up. Not a huge, big, visible change, but it's gonna be a change, making a big difference later. Follow along Twin Bro Joe and myself as we work on the DIY cabin. We got to put all these battens on. You may not see them right now, but if you look closer, you'll be able to see that the battens are not there. We want to be able to put up soffit, and then we're going to put up some fascia, and we're going to make sure it's totally closed in. It will not be insulated yet. All right, who? Get to work. Who's yours? Not terrible. We'll do it now. Say 81. 81. You'll take it off that. All right, work done today. Framed in a window. Put nailers up on the inside here. We'll be able to put soffit up tomorrow. Put the bird box in. And framed all that in and put the soffit up on this whole, we would call that wall number 4. Finished putting in the soffit all the way on the back end of the cabin, the back side of the cabin. Framed in the corner, so we have a corner framed in. That's new poplar, so it'll start aging out, and we got it ready for drip edge and fascia, and that'll button it up. Very good. And we burned some stuff. Oh, we're in business now. All right, you can turn off my video. Okay. Bring the camera, bring the whole thing over. Let it down. That's cool. It's amazing the first few times you hit up a ladder when you haven't done it in a while. Bend a little. Yeah. Can you kick it? That'll help slide it in. Radius in it. Here. Yeah, there. There's 2. It ain't coming down now. Craftsman brad nailer's where it's at. Cut the line. That can slip up under, but I think it's going to go over. It's going to stay underneath it.
That's okay.
I think that's how it'll work best.
Being right never looks so good. I'm just going to leave it.
It's not perfect, but it'll look better once this is stained. Well, 2 solid days of working. We got the front basically done. We just have to trim around that window. And we got the metal drip edge and very bold fascia. That's about 9 inches, but that'll look good once we put the sealer on the wood. But it's starting to rain. For Twin Bro Joe, we'll catch you on the next update. This cabin started as trees in the wood, went through the sawmill, and is slowly turning into a fully off-grid place we can actually use. If you're into real DIY builds, cutting trees, milling the lumber, and doing the work step by step, consider subscribing and following along. The next phase is where this really starts to come together. We start working indoors. Thanks for following. We'll catch you next time.